Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete videos on Likee app. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. And if you are using iOS device, just go to App Store and download it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So click on the Likee. So right after that, you need to go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of the human shape. Just click on this. So now you can see here a video that you have uploaded previously. Just click on the video. So this is the video that you have uploaded. So to delete the video, you just need to click on this blue icon, which is more. Just click on this. So now just swipe and you can see here delete. Just click on the delete and it asks permanently delete this post. Just click on the delete. So in this way you can delete video on your app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.